Shortcut to shut down or restart Windows 10 or 11 in less than 3 keystrokes. On Windows XP we had Win, U plus U. On Windows 7 we had Win, right cursor plus Enter. I never had Windows in NBSB 8, so I am not sure what the shortcut is / was. There is Alt plus F4 and then Enter, but this only works from the desktop. I would like to do this from any position or place or within any program. If I were in an application and did this, I'd only close down that application. My question is there a keyboard combination, which does not rely on creating scripting files and global shortcuts, to shut down the PC in 3 or less keyboard keystrokes from any position / program? Also, is there a similarly short key sequence for restart?
How do I shut down Windows 10 in 3 or less keystrokes? There are 3 solutions, detailed below. Configure the power button to perform a shutdown, 1 button press. Win plus D, Alt plus F4, Enter 3 keystrokes / 5 key presses, or Win plus X, U 3 keystrokes / 4 key presses. Note: the U may need to be replaced with another keystroke depending on your language setting if you are not using an English version of Windows. Solution 1. Configure the power button to perform a shutdown, 1 button press. Technically a button press is not the same as a keystroke, but I think it meets the spirit of the question. Click in Windows 10 search field, type power, and then click power options in the search results that appear. In the list of options on the left, click choose what the power buttons do. There are pull-down menus next to when I press the power button. On battery, laptop only. Plugged in, laptop and desktop. Click the pull-down menus, and select Shutdown. Click Save Changes. Now, whenever you press the power button, your PC should immediately shut down. Source: how to quickly shut down Windows 10. Solution 2. Win plus D, Alt plus F4, Enter 3 keystrokes / 5 key presses. Explanation: Win plus D will show the desktop. Alt plus F4 will open the shutdown menu when you are viewing the desktop. Enter will press OK. Source: 7 ways to shut down or restart a Windows 10 PC or device. Solution 2. Win plus X, U 3 keystrokes / 4 key presses. Explanation: Win plus X will open the power user menu. You will open the shutdown or sign out menu. You will execute shutdown. Notes: the U may need to be replaced with another keystroke depending on your language setting if you are not using an English version of Windows. The appropriate keystroke is underlined, as indicated by the underscore in the menus you can see in the previous 2 screenshots. Source: 7 ways to shut down or restart a Windows 10 PC or device. What if I want to restart instead of shut down? Use Win plus X, U, R. Win plus X will open the power user menu. You will open the shutdown or sign out menu. I will execute restart. Note: the U and R may need to be replaced with other keystrokes depending on your language setting if you are not using an English version of Windows. The appropriate keystrokes will be shown by the underscore symbol in the menus you can see in the previous 2 screenshots.
FYI, Windows 10. If you know you are on the login screen, press any key, like the spacebar, to ensure you are past the facade and that the login prompt is active. Shift plus Tab, shift the focus from the login prompt to the shutdown button. Space, open the power menu. Sleep is selected by default. Select shutdown. Enter, choose selection. Not less than 3 keystrokes, but this is handy if you know you are on the login screen but for some reason your display is unavailable.